When your blinders tilter mechanism is not working, you take it out, and this is how you restring your tilter mechanism. You take a new tilter mechanism and you take the tilter, you take this out, you put it through the main hole, and if it is like that, you put it in, and pull it out the other end. Just make sure that the string coming out is of equal length on both ends. So you take the tilter mechanism, close the bottom, don't close it, and you take one end and roll it out 3 times or 4 times, 3 to 4 times. You take the other end and roll it out 3 to 4 times. All right. So you've got this thing tightened up. Now you take the ends of the string that we've got here frayed. We'll tighten that up in a bit. And we pass them through the holes respectively. There'll be one on the left and one on the right. You restring the tilter mechanism. Uh-oh. Alright. And you tighten it. Now, make sure you've got the thing ready. Sorry I didn't pull this out. So now on your old tilter, you pull this end plastic piece out. And then you glide this portion of the hole in here and tighten it, and make sure that this 2 holes come out of the hole on the bottom of your blinder. So let's put the string through the hole first. Now, tighten it up, make sure that it comes in there. And you push the tilter mechanism through there. And you just make sure that this section is coming out. this part is coming out, and when you are turning it, it rotates properly. And don't forget to put the plastic knob in the end. And then you're done. And that's how you fix a tilter mechanism.